How to add a pop-up to your Wix website, which is a great way to grab your visitors' attention or share important messages. First, go to your Wix site and open the editor. From there, click on Add Elements in the left-hand menu, then scroll down and select Interactives. Next, click on Pop-ups and browse through the available styles to choose the one that fits your website best. Once you've added your pop-up, click on Set Triggers to control how it will appear on your site. You can turn on the option to automatically display the pop-up on pages, or customize it to appear based on specific actions like scrolling, time on page, or clicking a button. You can also edit the content of the pop-up to include images, text, buttons, or forms. Once you're happy with how it looks and behaves, simply save your changes and preview your site to make sure it works perfectly. And that's it. Your pop-up is now active and ready to engage your visitors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.